Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the home of next-generation performance. Today, buckle up because the 2026 Ferrari SF90 has just dropped, and it's nothing short of a revolution. A car that doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. The 2026 SF90 has officially been unveiled and Ferrari has gone all in. Bigger, bolder, and faster, this beast is designed to shake the entire supercar segment. It's not just an upgrade, it's a redesign of Ferrari's performance philosophy. Everything from the body lines to the aerodynamics has been sharpened with intent. Sculpted for dominance, the new BB design architecture gives it an illegal level of smooth aggression. Power, unreal. The updated plug-in hybrid setup still carries that 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with 3 electric motors, but Ferrari has fine-tuned the electronics and performance mapping. The total output, a jaw-dropping 1100 horsepower. 0 to 60, under 2.2 seconds. Top speed, 220 miles per hour and climbing. This isn't just fast, it's warp speed, and Ferrari made it feel effortless. The chassis is now lighter thanks to new carbon fiber reinforcements, and cornering is razor-sharp thanks to active torque vectoring. Suspension tech has been borrowed straight from Ferrari's F1 department, giving you adaptive dampers that predict the road ahead. Whether you're taking corners or launching from a red light, it responds like it's reading your mind. Let's talk design. The front fascia is more aggressive, with laser-thin headlights and a new grille design that maximizes cooling. New air ducts and carbon splitters blend performance with visual drama. Around back, quad exhaust tips, an active diffuser, and a more prominent rear wing scream power and precision. And yes, new colors are in. Lava Rosso, Nero Opaco, and the jaw-dropping Giallo Modena Gold give this SF90 a whole new personality. Inside, it's the most refined Ferrari cockpit yet. Gone are analog dials, replaced with a curved digital cockpit with AI-assisted driving displays. Touch-sensitive controls, carbon fiber trim, and stitched Italian leather wrap every inch of the cabin. It's not just a car, it's a futuristic cockpit designed for speed, control, and luxury. Ferrari also pushed tech to the next level. A new drive-by-wire steering system, full driver assistance suite, 360-degree telemetry, and voice-controlled driving modes make it feel like you're piloting a fighter jet. Comfort, heated and cooled racing seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a next-gen sound system make sure you're wrapped in luxury while flying low. All these upgrades come at a price. The 2026 Ferrari SF90 starts at $625,000, with the Assetto Fiorano Performance Package taking it up past $700,000. But you're not just buying a car, you're buying dominance. Every inch of the SF90 screams engineering obsession, from its illegal speed to its sculpted elegance. This isn't just the king of midsize performance, it's a declaration. The 2026 SF90 has arrived to rewrite what we thought was possible from Ferrari. It's bold, it's brilliant, and it's here to shock the world. Thanks for watching Ride Reviews. Hit that like button if the SF90 blew your mind, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive breakdowns of the world's wildest rides.